Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 6 trades. Today's date is March the 19th and I'm using my new Magic Scalper trading system. This system uses Heikin-Ashi candles on the top, moving averages, also has this super signal indicator, that's these arrows, and of course we have some more indicators down here at the bottom. Now every morning, 6 o'clock, I'm in front of the computer prior to the opening of the New York session, analyzing all the different instruments, not only Forex, but futures also. Then of course I'm taking a look at my daily trade plan, and once I've analyzed it, and I know I want to be either buying or selling, I'll manually put in this white arrow. Now you'll get an audio sound and this pop-up box suggesting either for a buy and or a sell. At that point you can go look at the instrument and see if it qualifies for taking the trade. Now here's my daily trade plan. It's an expert advisor. It's running in real time. And as you can clearly see, it's about 9 o'clock in the morning. And I'm done trading for the day. Usually I just trade 1 to 3 hours and then I'm finished. But as you can see, after the daily trade plan, it calculates all the different time frames, and in the comments here it'll make a suggestion either for bullish trades, bearish trades, and some of them are even preferred. Trading is a lot more easy and a lot of fun once you have all the proper tools. Now if you're trading without any kind of a daily trade plan, well, that is one good reason why you are failing. Now if you have any questions or you want to buy, well, just get in contact with me. Trading is very difficult, and I'm sure you realize that by now, and that's why you must think like you're learning to become a doctor or lawyer. You should be buying more education every 2 or 3 months if you want to succeed at trading. Now when you buy from me, I do give support, and without support you'll probably still fail at trading. After you buy from me, I'll tell you more very important secrets to successfully trading the markets in a free Skype call. Now if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. Okay, let's run a check on these trades. First one I did was a pound yen. Here we go. I bought this one. Let's drag and drop this up, see where it got in at. From this first blue candle, everything was pretty much lining up, and just by looking at the charts I knew it was going to go up. Daily trade plan, everything's saying to buy. So I took the trade at that cursor and I closed it out here, locking in, looks like 23 pips, and that paid out $152. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is gold. Now gold pays $10 for each tick. They're called ticks on the futures and the indexes. So looking at the money, this should be 29.4 actually. So let's drag and drop this up, see where it got in at. Got in at this cursor, and I knew just by looking at the charts and all the indicators that it should go up. In other words, we're buying. So I took the trade at this cursor and I closed it out here, locking in those 29. We just rounded out to 29. 29 ticks paid out $294. Okay, moving on to the next trade. Now the rest, their futures, the indexes, they move a lot more, they pay a lot more, and that's why I love trading them. So S&P 500, this one pays $5 for each tick. Took the money, divided it by 5. Calculator says it's approximately 67. So from there to there should be 67. Arrow from the daily trade plan, arrow, the white arrow, and the red arrow is the super signal candles, everything down at the bottom. The chart setup did qualify for a great way to trade, so I knew I had another winner here. I'm usually 95%, that's my accuracy. Once you learn how to read charts and you have all the proper tools, your learning curve will increase to having a much higher success level. So what I say, it should be 67. Close it out here. There it is right there. Remove the last digit, 67 ticks, paying out $337. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the DAX 30. Now I dropped the DAX 30 down to the 5 minutes as I'm trying to get a more accurate reading. So this one I wanted to be selling it from the daily trade plan arrow. This arrow is the super signal. So let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Obviously getting in here would have been much better, but this is where I saw it. You can only, when you're looking at roughly 20 instruments, this is actually where I saw it, and I knew, went down, went back up, went back down. I was hoping it was going to continue to go down, but it wouldn't go anymore. So I decided to close it out a winner before it turns into a loser. Remember, to succeed at trading, you have to have money management in order, and of course you have to have trade management in order. So let's see, I took the money, divided it by $3, well, it's 3.75, as that's what it pays, $3.75 for each tick. Calculator says it's approximately 135. So let's see if we can find that 135. 130, well, between 4 and 6, that's as close as I'm going to get. But anyhow, it's 135 ticks, paying out $506. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the Russell. Russell pays $10 for each tick, so easy to see. Looking at the money, this should be 75 ticks, so let's drag and drop this up. Trade setup did qualify for a great way to trade. Arrow from the daily trade plan, the super signal arrow. I really love the super signal, as it really helps to find the beginning of the up and down cycles within the markets. Now it should be 75, so let's go and look for those 75. There it is right there, 75 ticks, paying out $750. Wanted to show you a great tool that really should help your trading. It's called the FibMaster tool. All you got to do is click on this link right here, and you're going to go from swing pivot high to swing pivot low, which is right here. And then there's your pullback right there with these blue candles. Came back to entry number 2. And usually, not all the time, but usually when it hits 1, 2, or 3 entries, it'll hit the targets of 2, 3, 4, 5. And on many, many days, it'll keep giving you a lot more. There's target 6, 7, 8, 9, and it goes all the way to 10. This is much better than the Fib tool that's inside the MT4 platform. I highly recommend you get your hands on it. Comes complete with, it's a full course complete with 30 training videos showing you exactly how to trade the FibMaster tool. There's a lot more information on this Fib tool right below this video. If you have any other questions, just get in contact with me. So moving right along to the last trade, which is NASDAQ. This one pays $20 for each tick, so let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. right at this cursor. Now I took the money divided by 20. Calculator says it's approximately 54 ticks. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. Super signal. Did qualify for a great way to trade. So I pulled the trigger at this point. Should be around 54. There it is right there, 54 ticks, and that paid out $1,084. So another great day of trading using my magic scalper. I knew it was going to be well over 200 just looking at the money here. And that my goal every day when I'm trading is 200 or more pips and or ticks. And today I exceeded that. I ended up with 383 pips and ticks, and all of that paid out $3,124. So if you have any questions or if you want to buy anything, quite simple. All you got to do is get in contact with me. Now if you look right below this video in the description, there's a banner, the word more. Just click on that. Opens up another window, and you'll get all my contact information along with a lot of other information. Also in the description you'll find 4 different packages. I recommend you getting at least 3 of them, and that's why I made a special offer. If you buy any of the 2 packages, I'll give you one of the other 2 for free. Now to get in touch with me, it's quite simple. You can pick up the phone and call me, or you can send me an email. Now I do prefer Skype. I made a link down there. Even if you think you don't have Skype, well, if you click on the link, we'll have Skype connection, and through Skype screen sharing I'll be able to answer your questions. So just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.